Hey everyone, welcome to this video. So in this video, we're going to go over a very advanced strategy that I like to use. I was very hesitant about sharing this video with everybody and actually creating it because some people may consider it a little evil. It's a very powerful method, but I just wanted to make sure that everybody has the tools and the arsenal to compete in the adult media buying space. Okay, so I went ahead and just made the video, and I'm sharing the technique with you now, and I call it the HiJack method. Okay, so this is going to utilize your Traffic Advance account and your Lead Impact account that I talked about in the previous videos, and also the dozen of other CPV networks that I gave you a list to that you can use too. Okay, so you're not limited to just those two networks. You can go ahead and find other networks that I didn't list and use all the ones that I gave you in that list as well. Okay, so the first things first, what you're going to want to do is research. Now, hands down, the fastest way to gain intelligence is by using Adult Ad Spy. Okay, the reason for that is everything's already gathered for a long time. There's a lot of historical data. You're going to be able to zone in on different countries, look at different ads, and see exactly who's advertising what and where they're advertising. Okay, so it's going to save you a ton of time because it's all in one nice and organized dashboard, just one little screen, okay, for you to view all this data. Okay, so it's going to save you dozens of hours, if not weeks, of research. Okay, so that is a tool I recommend that you guys use for this method. If you do not have access to that tool, you can still manually browse sites and go ahead and try to view different pop-under landing pages that occur, okay, when you're browsing on videos and clicking around. So what I mean by that is go to these adult sites, click around, and see what other affiliates are using as their pop-under landing page, okay? So take note of the style and the headlines and the ad copy and the overall marketing funnel that they're using as a pop under. Okay, with that, you could go ahead and use this strategy a lot of people use. It's called swipe, improve, and deploy. Okay, what it means is you swipe what the other affiliates are using and doing, try to improve on it by changing maybe the image, the headline, some of the ad copy, changing some of the colors, switching it around, just doing some different tests to improve on what they are already using. Okay, and then go ahead and deploy it and put it out in the field and get some real traffic and some real numbers behind it to see if it's really working. Okay, so that's a quick way to get in the game and know what may be working and improve on it. Okay, if you come in blinded and not have any strategy or know what type of landing pages are working, you're going to be lost, and it's going to take a lot of advertising budget for testing just for you to gain some traction. Okay, so a lot of people swipe when they enter a new niche or a new traffic source, and then they try to improve on it. Okay, what you're going to want to do after you kind of find out who's advertising what and what they're advertising and where they're advertising, you're going to want to do a little bit of research on the popular offers that are being promoted by those affiliates. Okay, you're going to see a few different offers. The few main offers that a lot of people are promoting, those are usually the hottest offers currently in the space. So take note of that. With all that information, what you're going to want to do is make a very large list of all this data. Okay, so make a list of all your competitors' landing pages, all the merchants' offer pages. So if you're, seeing a lot of Just Hookup out there, right? Mark down justhookup.com. If you see a lot of Cupid, write that down, cupid.com, Fling, Be Naughty, all these different popular dating offers or whatever offers that are popular at the moment. You just write those down and make a large list of this. Okay, you're going to get a huge list, and what you're going to do with that list is you're going to move over and target some stuff. Okay, so now what you're going to need to do is set up those CPV traffic campaigns. So access those networks that you have traffic inventory at, whether that be Traffic Advance, Lead Impact, or the dozen other CPV networks that I mentioned. Set up your campaigns. Once you're in there setting up your campaigns, what you're going to want to do is take that large list that you created earlier and target all of your competitors' landing page URLs. Okay, so this is the domain or the landing page URL that your affiliate is using to pop under people's browsers. And now you don't even have to just target the people that are popping on other people's browsers. You can basically use the same style and technique and the same layout, the same style that you browsed earlier and you found that other affiliates are having success with, okay? But you can browse just web-based landing pages, okay? So it doesn't have to be a pop under. You could click on banners and see what landing pages affiliates are using for their banner ads, okay? But you're going to want to target all of your competitors' landing page URLs, okay? And this could be a huge list. Now, do understand CPV traffic from these networks. For your ads to pop up, a user has to have a certain type of software installed on their computer, okay? This is adware. A lot of people download a toolbar. It's different for different networks, okay? But to sum it up real fast, what happens is a user on a certain computer has a software installed on that computer, whether that be a toolbar or some type of video game downloaded on their computer. So when that visitor browses different sites, your ad will pop up based on the keyword string or the little bit of text that they type into their browser. That's how your ads are being displayed. So do understand that not all of the places that you target will have people who have this stuff installed on their computer. So you might not get that much traffic, okay? It's not guaranteed traffic when you set up your targeting. Also, your competitors, you really don't know how much traffic that landing page is getting. You can get an estimate by doing some research like on Alexa and Quantcast and stuff like that. But for the most part, people change out their landing pages a lot, especially the affiliates. So if you're targeting a specific landing page, the next day that affiliate could swap that out and then have a brand new domain, okay? So you may or may not get a lot of traffic depending on the volume of traffic that your competitor is getting on their landing page. But that's why we're going to do this and target all the offer domain URLs, okay? So this will be the merchant's domain. This is going to be the offer page. This is where all the affiliates combined are sending all their traffic, okay? So this usually gets a lot more traffic than an affiliate landing page. And the good thing about that is it gets so much traffic because it's such a branded name, okay? So you're kind of catching all of that excess traffic that people are sending to it. So this is a good thing. You're gonna notice when you look at your targeting, you're gonna receive a lot of your traffic, and a lot of your ads are gonna pop based on the offer domain, okay, versus the affiliate's competitor's landing page. Okay, so I hope that makes sense there. What you're gonna need to do after that is just go ahead and launch. So when you launch, you're going to activate your campaigns. You're just going to get those campaigns that you set up with all the targeting activated and running. Pretty simple. You just track and see what targets your lead came from. Okay, so you're going to be able to see which ones give you a lot of traffic and which ones don't, and which ones gives you leads and which ones don't, and then that's how you're going to optimize. It's pretty cut and dry. Okay, go ahead and activate your campaigns and set that up. And let's talk about the strategy behind this method. Okay, so the strategy here is your competition will be unaware of your marketing tactics, okay? You're going to be pretty stealth with everything. They're not going to know that you're going to be targeting their domain. They won't even know that your ads are going to be popping whenever somebody lands on their landing page, okay? Unless they, do some research and kind of figure out what's going on by visiting their site, they will have no clue on what's happening, okay? They may notice a decrease in conversion rates on their end, and then maybe they'll get frustrated and swap out their landing page, okay? So that's one of the reasons why I didn't want to share this method, is because I know a lot of people are going to be using it against other people, and at the same time, those people are going to be using it against you. So you got to be careful, okay? So my suggestion is to always swap out your landing page domain, after a while, after you've been running some traffic for a while, okay? Just kind of switch it up, evade competition, and make sure that no one is using this method against you, okay? You're going to be piggybacking off your competitor's warm traffic. So understand that the affiliate is going to be purchasing banner space, for example, and that banner space is going to be on a highly targeted site. When a visitor sees that banner, they're going to be pre-sold on the message on that banner, and when they click on that and land on the affiliate's landing page, they're already warm, okay, versus cold traffic, okay? they're already warmed up. They kind of have an expectation. And if you're smart, for example, let's say a visitor clicks on a banner, lands on your competitor's landing page, and then they read the landing page, and they get pre-sold on it, and get warmed up a little bit from the pre-sale on that landing page, and all of a sudden your affiliate offer pops up in the background. There's a high chance that that person will notice the pop-up, click on it, open up your window, and go ahead and sign up to your offer. Okay, so there's two ways to do it. You can direct link your offer, or you can pop your own landing page, okay, with a different message. Okay, and some of the messages that you can use are, hey, instead of going to this offer, you should check out this offer. Just redirect people. Okay, or you could say, hey, there's a discount on this offer, or this offer is much better than the one being promoted. You know what I mean? So there's a lot of different angles that you could use on that landing page that you have pop on your competitor's landing page. Okay, it gets real sneaky, it gets real dirty. If you're smart, you could come up with a lot of ideas to grab other people from that landing page and bring them through your funnel. Okay, I'm not going to go over it too much. You guys are smart enough to figure it out. Okay, so the next thing is you're going to be leveraging off your merchant's highly trafficked branded offers. Okay, these offers are huge. They get a lot of traffic, and you're going to be able to just pop your ads over them for pennies on the dollar. Okay, so a lot of the time when a visitor clicks on someone's landing page and goes to the offer and they see the offer, if you're able to pop a message in the background or pop a different offer in the background, there's a high chance that you can grab them away and have them go through your funnel. Okay, that's really the method and the strategy in place. Okay, so you got to use a clever message. Like I said, you can use all types of stuff. You can say, you know, here's another offer that's a lot better. You know, have you seen this offer? Check this one out. If you're a member of this site, a lot of people are joining this site. So there's a lot of different angles, okay? Whatever it takes to grab people away, hijack them away from that offer page, since you're going to be leveraging off all the traffic that that site gets anyways, okay? So once you do that, get them to your offer, get them to convert, and you're going to see a lot of sales. You're going to see a lot of high quality traffic, okay? And you're going to be under the radar because most people won't know what you're doing, okay? So that's the HiJack method. Put it in place. Be ethical, people. You know what I mean? It's kind of a sneaky, dirty little method, but a lot of people utilize it, and a lot of people are going to be using it against you. Okay, so stay one up on your competition, and now you know the method. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll catch you guys in another video. Peace.